Who runs this universe? What is the reason behind everything happening in this world? Who created this universe or multiverse? What is the reason behind our birth or death and the life between the two? These are some of the common questions that are being asked and discussed by many people. Many people of different faiths or religions and atheists give different answers to these questions. Some people say God, some say karma, some say prakriti, some say the fountain of knowledge. But the answers to these questions are not so simple. So in today's video, let us know the answers of these based on 5 simple factors. Presenting Basics of Jainism episode 3. Stay tuned till the end of this video. And yes, please do subscribe or follow Jain Media English and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Jainism explains the detailed reason behind everything that is happening in this world by practical and scientific means. According to Jainism, no one has created this universe, and each happening in this universe is a result of 5 things, which are karma, kal, that is time, swabhav, that is nature, purusharth, that is effort, and niyati, that is destiny. Now let us learn about the meaning of these 5 things in short. Number 1, karma. In this world, when we take a look at our surroundings, we see that someone is fair and someone is dark, someone is rich and someone is poor, someone is a model and someone is a monk. What is the reason behind this difference in people? Is it God who makes them like this? If it is God who makes everyone different, then why will He make His son, His follower, poor or murderous? Why will He inflict pain and sorrow on His own child who He Himself has made or created? In our thoughts, God is the one who is full of compassion and He is neutral towards each and every being. So why would He discriminate between His own children? And if He discriminates between everyone, then is He really God? God does not have love or hatred towards anyone. He does not curse anyone because He has compassion towards every living being. If God made everyone and this universe, then why did He make His child a rapist or a murderer or a full sinner? If God has created every one of us, then He must have the power to change anything and everything in His hands. Then why does God let a person commit crimes? The next question that arises here is, who made God? And what was the first particle that God made? The answers to these questions will remain unknown and assumptions will be made as per one's will. But the simple answer to all these things is very clear. God is nothing but a person who has defeated his karmas and has liberated his soul from the bondages of karma. Every one of us can become God if we are able to remove the bondage of karmas from our soul. But as long as we don't remove them, we are bound by karmas and it makes people what they are. Therefore, karma, that is deeds, are the first factor influencing events in the universe. We will soon learn about karmas in depth in upcoming episodes. Number 2, kal. Kal is also known as time. Everything that happens in this world happens at a specific time. No matter how much the person tries, nothing can happen before the right time. Karmas are also dependent on time to show their power. So the second factor is kal, that is time. Number 3, swabhav, that is nature. The nature of a person or an object has a crucial role in the event that takes place. For example, soap has the nature to clean objects, but it can't be consumed as an edible product because it does not have that nature. In the same manner, milk is used for drinking and gaining energy because of its nature, but it's not used for cleaning utensils or clothes because these things are not in milk's nature, right? Karma and kal are dependent on nature to show their power and vice versa. So the third important factor is swabhav, that is nature. Number 4, purusharth, that is efforts. This is the most important and practical factor that every living being lives on. Without making any efforts, nothing in this world happens. For example, the whole science field is based on research, and research is the result of hard work, that is purusharth. Without working hard, nothing comes in hand. How much ever power we will have, nothing is possible without making efforts, right? For example, it is said that for a lion to make his meal, he has to go out and hunt. If he decides to simply sit in his cave without making any efforts, then he'll not get anything and he'll die of hunger. So anything and everything we are doing is because of purusharth combined with the other 4 factors. Purusharth happens according to the time, the nature of the person, the object, the karma, and as destiny has planned. That's why Vinash Kale Vipreet Buddhi is said in Ramayana, which means that when something bad is going to happen, your mind and your activity will also become bad. So hard work, that is Purusharth, that is efforts, is the fourth factor. Number 5, Niyati, destiny. Now coming to the last factor, this is also the crucial but the easiest answer to all the questions we face. People say, this was not written in your destiny and it didn't happen. This answer comes and is the most useful when we don't accomplish something, despite all our efforts. So the power force which is drafting our karma, time, nature and efforts is the destiny. Everything happens as it is destined. Destiny is the queen of all these factors because all factors work according to it and obey her orders. So to sum up, everything in this world happens not only because of karma or kal or nature or destiny or effort, but when the 5 of them work together and in tandem. If you think with an unprejudiced mind, you will get all your answers by thinking about these 5 factors. All answers related to the working of the universe are registered in these 5 factors. So the universe runs on these 5 factors. Jai Jinshasan, Jai Mahavir.